New at 5, U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. joined Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt at the state capitol this morning. RFK Jr. and Governor Stitt announced the Make Oklahoma Healthy Again campaign. That includes a new executive order from the governor that brings several changes, like ending the state's recommendation to include fluoride in public water. Fox 23's Devin Lyon was there in Oklahoma City this morning and brings us the details behind this order.
Oklahomans, put your hands together for Secretary Kennedy.
Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was welcomed by Governor Kevin Stitt to Oklahoma City Thursday morning. The governor is wanting to align the state's healthy policies to the President Trump administration's Make America Healthy Again campaign.
We need to do something better in this country. When my uncle was president, we spent zero on chronic disease in this country. There weren't any treatments. Today, we spend $1.7 trillion, and it's rising. Those expenditures are rising at 2% faster than our economy. This is an existential threat to our country.
Governor Stitt signed an executive order supported by Kennedy, making several changes to Oklahoma's health system.
I'm also going to sign an executive order that continues to promote health in our state. I'm instructing the Oklahoma Department of Health to stop recommending fluoride in our water.
It removes the state's recommendation for fluoride in public water, a review of fluoride in public water, a review on the use of artificial dyes and flavors such as Red 40, and a new advisory council for Oklahoma's health systems to be reviewed. Not everyone there was on board. Several medical professionals from around the state were there to protest some of these efforts.
The most important things that he said was that the governor said was removing fluoride from our waters, which I think will be disastrous for our children's health. We do know that appropriate public water fluoridation prevents cavities. And how do you help children get better nutrition when they don't have adequate dentition or teeth to be able to eat the food?
The executive order also includes a federal waiver request to remove sodas and candy from the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program.
If you want to drink a bottled soda, you should be able to have that right. We live in a country where we have individual freedom. The federal government should not be paying for it through taxpayer money.
RFK Jr. did say that Oklahoma is 47th in public health. He says something needs to be done to fix that, and soon. But whether this is the right way of doing so is a subject for heavy debate at the state capitol. I did put that full executive order from the governor on fox23.com so you can read it in full for yourself. In Oklahoma City, covering news that matters, Devin Lyon, Fox 23 News.
Adding fluoride to public water is up to each city. It's not a state function. The state government can only recommend it. We reached out to the city of Tulsa about this, and they sent us a statement that reads in part, quote, "For more than 71 years, the city of Tulsa has implemented the fluoridation of Tulsa's water supply. Fluoridation is based on historical federal drinking water standards, which are followed by the city of Tulsa. If and when the Environmental Protection Agency and the CDC provide new recommended dosage rates, the city of Tulsa will review those recommendations alongside our local health officials, because the decision to use fluoride is left to municipalities. Any decisions on fluoride will be made based on the recommendation of the Tulsa Health Department to both the Tulsa Metropolitan Utility Authority and Tulsa City Council, as fluoride rates are set by ordinance."